First and foremost, everyone has rights protected by the U.S. Constitution regardless of immigration status. These rights include the right to due process, legal representation, and protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. If Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents come to your home, you don't have to open the door. Agents can only enter if they have a search warrant like this, issued by a court and signed by a judge. You can communicate with them through the window or a closed door. Do not lie or show false documents. You have the right to remain silent and to not sign any documents. You also have the right to decline any searches of your car or body unless, again, they have a signed search warrant. If they do have a search warrant, check if your name and address are correct. If not, then the warrant is invalid. You also have the right to take photos, videos, and write down details of what is happening. You can inform the agents you will be exercising your right to record. You cannot get in the way of their operations, though, and if they ask you to step back, you have to comply, but they cannot tell you to stop recording. So what should happen after an ICE encounter?
The best course of action is to call our deportation defense hotline. It's run by the Washington Immigrant Solidarity Network.
If you are outside of your home and encounter ICE agents, they cannot arrest you unless they have a warrant of removal signed by an immigration officer like this. However, this is not a search warrant, so they cannot search your home, car, body, or property. If you are driving and are pulled over, the officer can require you to show them your driver's license and insurance information, but you don't have to answer any questions about your immigration status. If you are arrested by police, you have the right to a government-appointed lawyer and the right to make a local phone call. If you are arrested by ICE, you have the right to consult a lawyer, but the government is not required to provide one for you. There have been numerous reports on social media of ICE activity across Washington state. While these posts may have good intentions, they can cause fear in many communities. The best way to verify is to check the social media pages of the Washington Immigrant Solidarity Network, which only posts verified locations and incidents.
We are doing everything we can at our disposal to prepare, protect, and of course make sure that people are not unnecessarily alarmed or in fear, that when there is a report, it is verified.
With photojournalist Rachel Kim, I'm Sharon Yu for Facing Race.